If you are looking for a great dehumidifier, you're going to want to check this out. It comes with a drain hose as well, so it's super easy to get that water out of there. You could do about 4,500 square feet, and it does 80 pints. So this is on wheels as well, which is really, really nice. The back of it right here, if you wanted to open that up, that is kind of where your water is going to be, is back there. But this is all we need to know. So to get this going, I really love that feature. It just like pops up. So when you're done with it, it also closes as well. You'll see right over here, you have the 53 over here. That matches up here. So up here, we have the lock feature right over here. So if you didn't want anyone to mess with it, you could do that. You have this is kind of the swing arm right over here. So it could be all the way back there if you wanted to, or you could switch that down if you wanted to as well. Then we have over here, we got the night feature. We have a timer over here. So we can set a timer with this. We could do the percentage, and this is the fan speed. So you can control how fast it goes, which is really, really nice, up and down. And then this is the clothes dryer. So you could have this actually dry your clothes, which is absolutely insane. It does not make that much noise either. Really nice, sleek, compact. This also comes in other colors as well. So if you're looking for a great dehumidifier, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.